Evening, everybody, and good morning to you that see this in the morning. So, as you know, we are not having school tomorrow due to the inclement weather or the hurricane or tropical storm that's moving in to Florida. So, we will be online tomorrow, and I want to make sure that you have the information you need to be successful, to be at class on time, and to make sure we're ready to go. That way, we can knock out some studying for this test. So let's go ahead and get into it. As you can see on your screen now, guys, is the different classes that I have that most of you have on your screen. So each one of your classes, 701, 702, 703, 704, and 700, you all have an individual room with me, an individual team page with me. If you're typically in my virtual class, we're not going to be on that link tomorrow or that team tomorrow. We're going to be on our personal class numbers team page. For instance, let's start with my homeroom. You'll have me first in the morning. This is class 702. Let me go ahead and open that up for you guys. So this is class 702. This is my homeroom. Our class runs from about 8 o'clock to 8:53. So tomorrow, when it is class time, I will click this meet button. And I can't do it on this because I have to download the app still, but I'm going to click that meet button and we'll have an online class with you guys. On your screen, you're going to see a little bar that's going to say join the meeting, and you're going to click join the meeting and you'll be brought into our page. Now check this out just to make sure you know who you are. If you are in 702, your name is going to be on this list right here that I'm opening up. So Gus, Sabrina, Riley, Genesis, Layla, and there's many, many more all the way down, guys. This is where you're going to be at. So you're going to join that meeting tomorrow morning. So how do you get the teams? Well, all you need to do is go to MicrosoftTeams.com. Let me pull mine up for you guys. I just typed in Teams on Google, and it brought it up for me. That's the wrong one. Sorry about that. All right. Let me just bring it up right here. So I just typed in Teams on Microsoft on Google. And just look, I typed in Teams. Here it is, log in Microsoft Teams. You can click on that. It's so simple. Here you are, and you can sign in right there. Now, for those of you that are on iPads, that are from the school, you probably already have the application for Teams. All you gotta do is join that app, and you'll be able to join in on the chat. Tomorrow, make sure that you join with your camera on so I can see your lovely faces and we can still have a great class. All right, guys, that is it for tonight. The last thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to go through each class just so you know, make sure you know what time to be there. So after 702, my next class that comes to me is 703. All right, so let me go ahead and open this group up. I take that back. The next group that comes to me is 700, Mrs. Grimm's homeroom. You guys will be there at 8:53. So we'll start your class at 9 o'clock and run you right to about 9:51. So let me show you that team list. So on this team, right, we have Mitchell and Pasha and Caroline and Jamari and Caitlin and Carly and our whole list of folks right here. All right. So this group will be with me from 9 o'clock to about 9:50. Then my next class that comes to me is 703. All right, and you guys will be with me from about 9:50 to 10:45. And this class is Isabella and Hayden and Anthony and Layla and Kaven and Naomi and Chloe. I'm just going to scroll down so you guys can see more names. DJ Ignacio, right? Big class, guys. Can't wait to see you. And then after that, I will have my 704 class. You guys come to me after PE, so your class will start at 11:35. All right. So you guys are going to be with me from 11:35 until 12:30, when you guys will have time for a lunch break. And these are people like Taylor and Ella and Justin and Michaela and Valeria and Jacob, Ethan, Juliet, Sophia. Alright. And then finally at 1 o'clock, I have 7:01, and we'll run from 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock. Or to 1:50, sorry guys. 1 o'clock to 1:50. And these are Amani and Miles and Talon and Dinara and Liam and Kylie. So check out this list. Guys, I know internet may be spotty tomorrow. I know that this is late notice getting this information out to you, but I hope this YouTube video finds you and gets you the information you need to make sure you're successful. So I'm going to upload this on Teams tonight. Hopefully you see it by tomorrow morning. Thank you, everybody, and have a wonderful day.